When choosing a door for your home or business in Sugar Land, Texas, one factor that often goes overlooked is the weather. While aesthetics and security are important considerations, understanding how the local climate affects your door's performance can ensure that you make the right choice for your property. With Sugar Land's hot summers, mild winters, and occasional heavy rainfall, selecting the right door can make a big difference in the comfort, energy efficiency, and durability of your home. The climate of Sugar Land experiences a humid subtropical climate, which means long, hot summers with temperatures regularly soaring above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius. Winters are typically mild, with temperatures rarely dropping below freezing. However, the area also sees significant rainfall throughout the year, including occasional storms and hurricanes. These diverse weather patterns can have an impact on materials exposed to the elements, especially doors, which are a critical part of your home's exterior. Heat and humidity. What to consider. The intense heat and high humidity in Sugar Land can cause damage to certain types of doors over time. Wooden doors, for instance, are prone to swelling, warping, and cracking when exposed to excessive moisture and heat. In addition, humidity can encourage the growth of mold and mildew, which not only impacts the door's appearance but also its longevity. To combat these issues, many homeowners and businesses in Sugar Land opt for doors made of materials that can withstand high humidity without warping or degrading. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice in this climate as they do not absorb moisture, unlike wood. They are also resistant to cracking and offer superior insulation, making them an energy-efficient option. Steel doors are another durable choice, providing great resistance to humidity and heat. Steel doors can be painted or finished to match any aesthetic while offering excellent security and protection. Rainfall and moisture resistant. Sugar Land averages about 50 inches of rainfall annually, with the peak rainy season occurring during the spring and summer months. Heavy rains, especially during storms or hurricanes, can cause moisture damage to doors that are not properly sealed or made from water-resistant materials. Wood doors, as mentioned, can absorb water and become vulnerable to rot, warping, and swelling. For homes and businesses in Sugar Land, weather-resistant doors are a must. Storm doors with durable weather stripping are ideal for protecting against the elements. These doors often feature double seals and reinforced frames, providing an extra layer of protection from rain, wind, and humidity. Additionally, materials like fiberglass, steel, and aluminum perform well under these conditions because they resist moisture damage and do not expand or contract in the presence of rain. Security during storm. Speaking of storms, Sugar Land can experience severe weather events, including hurricanes and tropical storms. These extreme weather conditions demand doors that not only resist moisture but also provide added security. Impact-resistant doors or hurricane-rated doors are particularly important in this region. These doors are built to withstand high winds and flying debris, making them an essential investment for homeowners who want to protect their property and loved ones. For added peace of mind, consider installing reinforced steel or fiberglass doors with impact-resistant glass. These materials are designed to stay intact under high pressure, preventing damage to your home and ensuring that your property remains secure, even during the worst weather events. Insulation and energy efficiency. The hot summers in Sugar Land mean that air conditioning is often running for long periods. As such, energy efficiency is a major consideration when choosing doors. Insulated doors are essential for keeping cool air inside and preventing heat from entering your home. Both fiberglass and steel doors offer excellent insulation properties, helping to reduce your energy bills. Some doors also come with an additional layer of insulation, which can be especially helpful if you are looking to improve your home's energy efficiency. When paired with good weather stripping, these doors can significantly improve your home's comfort during both hot and cold months, keeping the interior temperature regulated without overworking your HVAC system. Conclusion. In Sugar Land, selecting the right door is more than just about curb appeal. It's about ensuring your door can withstand the local weather conditions. High heat, humidity, heavy rain, and occasional storms can take a toll on doors, so choosing materials that resist moisture, heat, and wear is critical. Fiberglass, steel, and impact-resistant doors are all great options that can provide durability, security, and energy efficiency. By factoring in the local climate, you can ensure your door not only enhances your home's appearance but also stands the test of time, providing lasting value and protection.